Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you a breakdown of how I make custom kitchen cabinets. So I've come up with a different process for getting my pieces cut and expediting the process. I have my day job that I work at and I come and do this after. So as I said, I outsource the cutting of the material. So I just have to assemble the cabinets and build the doors and do the painting and whatever else is involved in that project. So today I'm just going to show you my process on how I get the material and how I assemble it and make them into cabinets. First off, I just have a one of the base cabinets here that I'm going to show today. So this is how I receive it. They cut it out on a CNC and they edge band all the pieces that need edge banding. They do not clean it up completely, as you can see here. They just edge band it. They don't cut it down. That is one thing that I have to do. Moving on, I get them cut, as I said, on a CNC, and they blind dado everything. So there's slots here for the bottom panel, and then you have slots here for the two stretchers, and then the one stretcher in the back, as well as the back panel to square it all up. As you'll notice here, the dado is just offset here, so that the back panel, when it comes in, so half of it is cut out, and that half will sit on the top here. So you really can't mess this up. I mean, you have your edge banding here, so this faces the front. You could try to do it the opposite way, and you would have a bit of a lip here, but you want that flush right to this corner. So there's really only one way to install that, which would be like this. I pop in some glue, get this in place, and you can hit this in or clamp it in. Usually I use some clamps just to force it together, and it stays in at that point, and then drive in screws from the backside. And that's basically the process you take for assembling the cabinets. 3 stretchers along the top to hold it structurally together. Yeah, very simple. Put in shelf pins wherever I need. This is for the drawer hardware, the Bloom undermount drawer glides. So for me, this has been a big time saving in my process. So that is a little look into how I do custom cabinetry, and hope it's given you a little bit of insight or ideas into your process. If you have any questions, comments, please don't be afraid to let me know.